Shopify versus BlueHost, which is better for dropshipping? If you're looking to start a dropshipping business, you might be torn between Shopify and BlueHost. Both platforms are popular, but they cater to different needs. And today, we'll break down which is better for your dropshipping venture. Links to both services are included in the description, so feel free to check them out. First, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform specifically designed for online stores, making it a popular choice for dropshipping. It's incredibly user-friendly, with a simple setup process that allows you to start your store quickly. One of Shopify's key strengths is its extensive app ecosystem, particularly apps like Oberlo, which seamlessly integrate with Shopify to make importing products from suppliers like AliExpress easy. Shopify also offers a range of professional themes, excellent customer support, and a robust payment system with Shopify Payments. It's designed for anyone looking to start and scale an online business. And with its built-in tools, you can manage everything from inventory to marketing in one place. However, Shopify does come with a monthly fee, and as you scale, the costs for apps and add-ons can add up. But if you're serious about dropshipping, these costs can be justified by the value you get in return. On the other hand, BlueHost is a web hosting provider that pairs well with WordPress, another popular option for creating online stores. If you're more technically inclined or want full control over your website, BlueHost is a great option. By using WordPress with WooCommerce, you can create a highly customizable store. This setup gives you complete flexibility, allowing you to choose from thousands of plugins to optimize your dropshipping business. It's also generally more affordable than Shopify, especially as your store grows. However, setting up a WordPress store with BlueHost requires more technical knowledge and time. You'll need to manage hosting, security, and backups yourself, or with the help of additional plugins. While this gives you more control, it also means more responsibility. So, which one is better for dropshipping? If you prioritize ease of use, quick setup, and comprehensive support, Shopify is the way to go. It's ideal for beginners or those who want to focus on selling rather than managing a website. But if you're looking for flexibility, lower long-term costs, and don't mind handling the technical side, BlueHost with WordPress might be better suited for you. Both platforms have their strengths, and the best choice depends on your specific needs and experience level. In summary, Shopify is the all-in-one solution for those who want convenience and scalability, while BlueHost is for those who prefer customization and control. Consider what's most important to you and make an informed decision.